established in Kunshan, China in 2003. Yitai Packing Material Accessories, Kunshan Company Limited, is a global supplier of laser machines and die-making related products for printing customers, package customers, and die makers. Yitai has been involved in die making more than 20 years. We not only supply machines and materials to our customers and partners, but also support them on die-making technology. More than 400 customers in 80 countries have witnessed our achievements in machine quality and after-sales service. To be a professional one-stop die-making supplier, the CEO of Yitai has carefully selected a factory and invested it for producing carbon dioxide laser cutting machine in Shenzhen, where high technology is highly concentrated. With a rich series of products from 80 watts to 3,000 watts, we meet the various needs of our customers. Digital cutting machine is the core equipment of die-making industry and packaging industry. With the industry's new technology as the cornerstone and professional after-sales service as the support, we have won the trust of our customers. As a result, our digital cutting machine is very popular in the industry. A great deal of our success stems from innovation. We see the needs in the die-making industry and we strive to meet them. Today, Yitai is still striving to become a well-known brand in die-making industry.